The BMW 100 is one of the most iconic motorcycles ever produced by BMW Motorrad. Introduced in the 1970s and refined through the 1980s, the R100 became famous for its timeless design, reliable engineering, and smooth riding experience. Today, it remains a favorite among collectors, enthusiasts, and riders who appreciate classic motorcycles with character. At first glance, the BMW R100 stands out with its clean and elegant design. Unlike modern sport bikes with aggressive bodywork, the R100 embraces a simple and purposeful appearance. The motorcycle features a large teardrop-shaped fuel tank, a long, comfortable seat, and a balanced riding position. The round headlight, twin rear shock absorbers, and chrome accents contribute to its classic styling. One of its most distinctive features is the horizontally opposed boxer engine. The engine cylinders extend outward from both sides of the motorcycle, creating a unique silhouette that instantly identifies it as a BMW. The BMW R100 is a full-size touring motorcycle designed for comfort and stability. Its strong steel frame provides durability and confidence on long journeys. The bike's wheelbase and weight distribution help maintain excellent balance at both low and high speeds. The seating position is upright and relaxed, making it suitable for long-distance travel. Riders can comfortably spend hours on the road without excessive fatigue. At the heart of the BMW R100 is a 980cc air-cooled boxer twin. This legendary power plant is known for its reliability, smooth power delivery, and distinctive sound. The engine produces strong low-end and mid-range torque, allowing the motorcycle to accelerate effortlessly without needing high engine speeds. One of the advantages of the boxer engine layout is its low center of gravity. This improves handling and gives the motorcycle a stable and planted feel on the road. The 5-speed transmission works smoothly with the engine, making highway cruising comfortable and enjoyable. The BMW R100 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a piece of motorcycling history. With its distinctive boxer engine, timeless design, solid construction, and dependable performance, it continues to earn admiration from riders around the world.